Editing the home screen. On the Sharp MFP, the home screen can be customized to suit your needs. Buttons can be moved, added, or removed, and shortcuts for regular jobs and tasks can be created. From the screen, open the right-hand side menu by pressing the arrow. Once open, select Edit Home. You will be prompted to enter the admin password. If you are using user control and are logged in, the admin password and ID are not required, as you will only be editing your user screen. This is personal to you. Press OK. Now if you select a key to change, the right-hand menu will give you several options. If you press Move, you can then find the location you wish to move the button to and press the plus box. You can also move a button by pressing and holding it. Now drag that button to a new location. To add a new button, simply press an available space and press the plus box, and a list of available buttons will appear. Select the option you want from the list. Deleting a button can be done in two ways: by pressing the button you want to remove, and in the right-hand side menu, press the Delete key. Or you can select the button and drag it to the trash bin in the bottom left-hand corner. You can reset the screen back to the default by pressing Return Layout to Factory Default in the right-hand side menu. To exit edit mode, press Exit Home Edit Mode in the right-hand side menu, or press Logout Administrator at the top of the screen.